What's up, guys? So 2 days ago, me and my friend, we did some canned tuna tasting, and basically we ended up with a month's supply of tuna. So today I'm gonna try and do something about it. Basically what I have in mind is to do the Korean style tuna cake, but since I'm Lebanese and Lebanese people like to say we invented everything, I'm gonna call them tuna falafel. So let's begin. Alright, we are done. Let's taste it.